Okay, hello friends, I am here and we have solved a fifth question of SQL problem in Hackerrank. So, question is that Japan's city attributes and question is also here. Let's see what is asking question. Question is that query all attributes of every Japanese city in the city table and cities table and the country code for Java I mean country code for Japan is JPL. So let's start and solve. Firstly MySQL. Then start with select query. Start means all column and all rows from city. Then next line where country code is equal to JPN. Let's check processing हो रही है. It is also basic question and very simple. You can also solve. Yeah, congratulations to you. Then submit. टेस्ट केसेस चेक करेंगे. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching.